Yeah, this happened. Do you see that? That's my day. So yeah, we're just getting ready to head out and go get some food with a friend of ours and just see where the day takes us, basically. How the heck am I gonna get this off? Yeah, I'm screwed. Okay, I figured it out. I got it. Can't show you Jacob right now, but he's getting dressed. He woke up late today. Actually, not too bad, because he actually went to bed at 8 a.m. today. And, figured he was going to sleep all day, but he didn't. So, he only slept for, what, like 4 hours? So, yeah, he was up all night playing video games. So, and he's going to do it today, too, I think. Or he's going to do schoolwork.
Probably do a little bit of both.
I think that would be...
Even it out.
a good idea.
Mustache.
What are you trying?
Mustache.
No.
You know, come on, mustache.
I don't know.
You're Mario.
I don't have a
Me,
mustache.
Mario. No, I'm giving you a mustache. Me, Mario.
Oh, okay.
Me, Mario.
Me, a Mario. No, but really, we haven't really done much in the past, like, week and a half or 2 weeks, so we didn't really vlog. We just don't really feel like it either, so. But today, I just kind of like felt like picking up the camera, so we'll see. We're having a hard time eating, or figuring out what to eat. We decided on Rubio's. We just had lunch, and so we're gonna get some froyo because we're fat. I'm so full. Are you full? We had way too much to eat. Hi, pumpkin. Pumpkin butt. Pumpkin butt. So, we're home, but I think we're just gonna relax for this day. Jacob's gonna do some schoolwork too. So,
Hi.
it's gonna be our day.
Yeah. Huh? 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 Hi. Yeah. Oh, hi. Hi. Yeah. Yeah.
Can I help you?
It was off and then it falls down the drain.
She's like, I don't care, Daddy. I don't care about your story. Just pay attention to me.
Caught one, guys. Caught a CC with my CC net. It's a big one, too. It's a big one. Look at it. Look at it.
It's a wild Cece.
Alright, look at the wild CC in its natural habitat.
Ow!
Hurts its mommy like every day.
Ow!
Look at the choppers on that one, eh, mate? That's vicious.
Oh my god!
It's a vicious one.
She just pushed the camera
Look
away.
at it. That chopper's there. Hey. Oh. What? 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 Well, you ain't gonna take it? Okay. Alright. You wanna vlog for us? Okay, here.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Cease.
What, she can't vlog for us?
She got it all wet. She's biting the tripod right now.
She's wanting to vlog.
She wants to vlog.
Let her
Okay,
vlog. She's
go
got
ahead.
it. Here you go, yeah. Vlog, Cece.
Yeah, girl. Oh.
Show everybody what's outside. What's outside? Oh, let's get this in bed. Good job, Cece. Good video of the bed.
Thank you.
Good job.
You're more entertaining to watch, Cece, than us talking. So on that note, I'm gonna end the video here with some footage of her, I think a couple weeks ago, playing with her new toy from her birthday. So here it is.